Hi and welcome to Council of Nuts. So today we are back with a new review of the most awaited Hindi web series Mirzapur season 2. I don't know what took so long for this season to come out, but we are with the trailer and we'll be reviewing the trailer and we'll be talking about the expected things which can happen in season 2. So let's start.
So Mirzapur is about rivalry between different gangs and who will conquer Mirzapur and eventually rule it.
And in the last episode of season 1, we all means the people who have seen Mirzapur 1, they have seen that in the last episode how like Munna massacred the wedding and killed Guddu's brother Bablu and his wife also. So I think that will be the main focus for the audience of for this season. And the trailer also, like, it shows that how much craving for the revenge he have in his eyes.
Yeah.
Ali Fazal, he's
Yes.
a brilliant actor.
Yes.
I love that actor, and he.
Yes.
I think this season will be much more bloodier. And in the trailer we can see many characters, new characters, and in IMDb also I have seen. Means I have gone through the IMDb list. There were not so many names, like all the names of the characters there. So I think that will means eventually unfold.
So in this trailer, they have not shown very much, which I like. They have shown as minimalistic as possible. So we have a lot of surprises to get from season 2. And in this trailer, the main viewpoint which I found, like the Rati Shankar Sukla's son has returned
Yeah.
and is ready to take revenge. That part is also will be shown, I hope, in this season.
This season there will be many gangs or many sides of the war. Like, it will be a total war. And Guddu has said in the trailer that he is ready to take his revenge and also to take over Mirzapur. So this will be a bloody war against Kalin Bhaiya, Rati Shankar's son.
It will be awesome.
Yeah, and even that scene we saw in the trailer, that even after getting hurt in his leg, he pulled up the car. So powerful he was there, and
His strength is back.
yeah, his strength is back, and also we can see him like that scene was there where the barber was like a blower was put in his mouth and he just burned that away. That was so fierce, and
Yeah.
it tells
Unique
that
ways
how
of
much,
dying.
yeah. And it tells how much this season will be interesting and much more enjoyable. And we'll be coming to Golu, means Golu Gupta, sorry, Golu Gupta.
Golu Gupta.
And like after Bablu died, she also wants to take the revenge.
I think the Bablu's role will be taken over by Golu, as he is much more brainier. All the mind work will be done by her, and all the action part will be obviously done by one and only Guddu.
True. And also the interesting part I found, like Vijay Verma means he was not very known after, means before Super 30 or like that. In Gulliver also we saw him. So after that he came up. He's a brilliant actor. I just love him, and I also follow him on Instagram. So I really love him as an actor. And this guy, I don't know, but this guy might not live very much in the series. He'll be dying in the series.
Yes.
But I'm very much confused at which side he is, because he seemed to be a very cunning type of person, and he was talking with
Yes.
like Munna also. So I don't know he's on side of Munna or like going to betray him or not. But that,
Yes, and what will be his role also? It is not clearly seen in the trailer. What will be his role? Yeah.
true. And also coming one scene we have seen a scene that in a scene where someone was kissing Munna, and I think that was Dimpy,
Dimpy.
his sister
Yeah.
of Guddu and Bablu. So I think that's a trap
Yes.
they're creating to take the revenge, and that will
Yes.
be best, enormous. It will be.
Yes. They have to do some cunning work, or else they will fail. They have
Yeah,
to do some
because
tricks.
because Kalin Bhaiya always had the upper hand with the gun power and the muscle power. So they need to be
Yes,
brainy and
manpower also. Yeah,
manpower also. Yeah.
they have
So
huge numbers. Yeah,
yeah. So I think like Guddu and Golu, they need to be very much cunning and they need to be very much smart to like how they will beat beat their opponents rather.
and another thing is also I think that in this season I think the revenge will not be completed. So another season will come and it will like a trilogy. In the trailer, we see that Rati Shankar Sukla's son and Munna are sitting together. Though their goal is same, like acquiring Mirzapur and ruling over them, but their common goal is to take revenge on Guddu. So eventually, there are two sides, Guddu and Munna,
Yeah.
and
And
also there is a third person like Dadda Tyagi, who is also taken the side of Munna. So actually, there are lot of pressure on Guddu and how he will manage.
it's really it's very unclear like how they will end up because I don't think it will be ending in a season 2 as you said season 3 would be there, but I don't think like apart from revenge they means in themselves only they will be betraying each other because their main goal is to acquire Mirzapur and that is the main factor which is being applied there. So for that I think they will be betraying each other and there will be much more bloodshed.
Yeah. And talking about dialogues, the season one had gold dialogues, like awesome dialogues,
Yeah,
and I hope
I think
season two has
yeah,
also
yeah. Season
will
season
have
season 2 will
some
be
tremendous
carrying
dialogues.
season 2 will be carrying that
Yes.
legacy. And also in trailer the last scene where Golu Gupta and like I think that is Bablu. I'm sorry, not Bablu. Guddu. I think though
Good do.
both of them are firing on the opposite team or I don't know who they're firing to, but that will be much exciting to watch. Like Golu Gupta coming forward and fighting with his
Yes.
foes. So it's really exciting. I'm very much excited to see this
Yes.
thing. And also there is a scene where like Sweetie, not Sweet, Dimpy was been like she was dragged in the ground. I don't know who was
Yeah.
doing that. I would I
Who
would
was doing
rather
that?
say it was Munna. I don't know.
So lot of things going to happen in season two, like lot of war, lot of bloodshed, full action packed. Very much eager to see. I want to see it just right now. Fans are waiting for almost 2 years, and they have waited enough.
Yeah, absolutely. Like after 2 years, this October 23rd, the wait will be ending, and we eventually will be seeing the one of the greatest web series, Hindi web series, which was created. We'll be seeing this that on Amazon Prime, and also please stay tuned with us because we'll be doing another video of Mirzapur. We'll be predicting the deaths and the bloodsheds which will happen in Mirzapur season 2.
Yeah.
So stay tuned with us, and if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel if you haven't done yet. We are Council of Nerds. We do videos on reviews and also on sports. So that's it. Bye.